In this video, we're going to show you how to create coupons. To get started, in the sidebar of your dashboard, go to Catalog, Discounts, Coupons. Coupons let you offer discounts for a number of business needs: to increase sales, promote a certain category of products, boost customer loyalty, or provide compensation. To create a coupon, click on New Coupon. There are 5 different types of coupons. Fixed discount, to offer a specific price discount, for example, $10 off. Percent discount, offer a discount as a percentage, for example, 20% off. Free shipping, to reward customers by waiving shipping costs. Sale price, which offers products at a specific price, for example, buy t-shirts for only $12. And buy X, get Y free, to offer free products when making a purchase. For example, buy 4 cupcakes and get the 5th free. Once you've selected the coupon you want to offer, you'll need to fill in some additional details: the coupon code for your customers to use, coupon name, the discount amount, the eligible products, categories, or services, and more. The details you need to set up will change according to the coupon type you've selected. For example, the free shipping option lets you include subscriptions in the offer. You can also set additional limitations, like the dates during which the coupon is valid, or the number of times the coupon can be used. Once you create the coupon, you'll be able to promote it through email campaigns or social media. All of your coupons will be available for you to view and edit in the main coupons page. You can use the filter dropdowns to search for specific coupons. Clicking on the 3-dot menu will let you quickly copy the coupon code, edit, duplicate, delete, and more. Now your customers can use their coupons by entering the coupon code at cart or checkout, making the discount automatically appear. Only one coupon can be applied for each purchase. Now you know how to create a coupon. Thank you for watching.